Select the polygon tool. Set the polygon size to 20 pixels. Add one extra line. Rotate the polygon by 180 degrees. Duplicate the polygon. Go to corner radius, set it to 0.59 and apply. Select the first polygon and fill it with gray color. Select the second polygon and fill it with black color. Select both polygons and press C+E to align center and middle. Select the bottom poly, click and choose Convert to Curves. Select the Shape tool. Select the corners and drag them inward. Repeat this process for all 4 corners. Select both shapes and click on the Weld option. Create a square, then rotate it by 45 degrees. Fill the square with white color. Place the square at the center of the polygon. Resize and adjust it properly. Again, rotate it by 90 degrees. Select both objects and combine them. Select the combined object and fill it with gray color. Select the freehand tool. Draw the lines as shown in the video reference. Click in the middle of the line, then choose to curve. Adjust the curve smoothly. Increase the line width to 16 pixels. Copy the line and flip it horizontally. Align and adjust it properly. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill colors inside the shapes. Select the Virtual Segment Delete tool and remove the extra parts. Apply desirable colors to each shape. Add gradients as shown in the video and repeat for all shapes. Select the entire object and remove all outlines. Here we go, your final corridor design is ready.